the door closed.
Oh dear.
Him past that. You hear? So me no want no man, it's a white thing. You have a thing a man that tell us him come from Galchester, him come from Galdeville.
Yeah.
And when him going to America, Canada and England, him have to put on the immigration for saying come from Manchester. Yeah, or Montego Bay, or Mandeville.
Can't say about
Because if you put
America.
Galchester upon your immigration form, you cannot come out of the American airport. You cannot leave the airport because the immigration got to say, you see that's something the way they farm. I don't know where Jamaican is. Go fill that out properly.
I really
I mean, I believe in a hypocrite.
Yeah.
Some boy a hypocrite. I need some of them Jamaican artists here who are gay to come out and say we are gay. And who are what do you call it, bowcat to come out and say we are kittens. Stop going like you are liar. Because you not real. You not going like you are using a curse that cuss next people. You go away from